Well, after a dark and stormy night, it's on to the next weather pattern. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. So the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be some more smoky and hazy skies from those Canadian wildfires. So you'll notice on this map here over the next day and a half, our skies will turn smoky and hazier, especially on Monday into parts of Tuesday. Until then, in that first forecast on this Sunday, it is a wet start with a leftover shower, a brief downpour, wet conditions from those soaking showers we had last night and overnight. In the 70s to start, 80s, and maybe briefly 90 now for Charlottesville. We might not reach 90 because of the extra clouds and the recent heavy rainfall. We'll call it basically 85 to 90 degrees. It'll still be quite muggy. Clouds will give way to a few breaks of sun, and the quicker we get that sun to come out, the better chance of reaching 90 for the fifth day in a row. Radar recap shows, as expected, I talked about yesterday morning how the most active weather would be on Saturday evening. And look at this. Voila! Showers, downpours, thunderstorms, spiced with that thunder and lightning, even some localized damaging wind gusts. And look at this. We did see a few reports of some high water into Orange, Louisa, Fluvanna, Albemarle, Nelson, and Buckingham counties. Even a report of some downed trees into northern Buckingham County. Now we're watching the atmosphere just produce some additional showers this morning. But looking back at the Doppler radar estimation of how much rain fell, a lot of this occurred on Saturday evening before midnight. And a lot of the area picked up a month's worth of rain, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches. There's that bullseye in Buckingham County into eastern Albemarle and western portions of Fluvanna, Louisa, and also into Orange counties. But now the live radar picture is coming back with a little bit of some showers, leftover showers, shifting their way from southwest to the northeast. Let me zoom on in here. There we go. Watching this area of yellow and dark green. So some moderate showers, nothing severe, coming up from Livingston, heading towards Charlottesville and Palmyra into Fork Union, down on 20, Scottsville, along the James River. You'll notice coming up from the Route 15 corridor some extra showers, and a lingering flash flood warning continues, or flood warning for portions of Lynchburg and surrounding areas from Amherst into areas of southwest Virginia. And you'll notice here as well across the New River Valley and into Southside Virginia, that little spin in the atmosphere. This will give us additional showers, at least for the next couple of hours. But the overall severe weather risk is primarily across northern Virginia into the northern and middle peninsula, northern neck, and north into the Delmarva. High-res weather tracker shows a break of sun later on, a leftover shower into this evening, and then tomorrow it's all about that smoke. Hazy skies, smoky conditions. We'll call it moderate level, so a small number of sensitive people may have a few health concerns as that Canadian wildfire smoke heads our way, basically from west to east as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Today, though, in your Storm Team 29 report, clouds, a sun, a leftover shower, highs 85, maybe 90. For the overnight, partly cloudy, some fog, lows mostly in the 60s. And your Monday forecast calls for smoky, hazy skies. Most areas will stay storm-free with highs in the upper 80s to the lower 90s. 7-day forecast, some hazy skies on Tuesday, highs near 90, isolated storm chance. It looks like Wednesday may feature the better chance for a shower and storm with highs perhaps just shy of 90. Low 90s on Thursday, Friday. Couple of storm chances, and so far so good, at least as we start next weekend. It should be drier and not quite as stifling hot.